Project time, project time. Sweet potatoes is what I'm going to be messing with on this project. You see I got them going, started from some slips I got from the school. In this same bed, I have some turmeric, and I didn't think it was going to show up, actually. I put it in the ground, seemed like a month, seemed like years, seemed like forever. But eventually it did come up. But I'm going to move forward with the idea that I started and we're just going to see what's up. So half of the bed is going to be for turmeric. The other half is going to be for sweet potatoes. Now I'm going to build a sweet potato tower using this here. And the sweet potatoes are going to go up through here is the plan. Somewhat like I have the sweet potato tower, a russet potato tower over here. And it's not working the way I expected. I think it may be something eating the potatoes. It may be some roly-polies. It could be a variety of things, but that's not going quite the way I expected. But we're gonna try it again over here with the sweet potatoes and see what's up. All right, got the wrapping off. Now I'm gonna stretch it around. I'm not sure how big it's gonna be. I don't want to do the math, so we're just gonna stretch it out and see what it do. Opened it up a bit. Now I'm going to try to do what I need to do with it. Now I'm going to lock it in place by bending these over, and that's going to lock it all into place and go down the way. All right, got it kind of set up, kinda, right? Got it rounded off, kinda. Now I'm going to run some of the wire that came with it and connect it to here to kind of hold it in place and get some of the straw and stick it in there. So this thing is pretty big off the ground. This is a couple of feet. You see my knee hits, right? This thing here, pretty tall. Give you a reference of how tall it is. So it's almost chest high for me. So it's pretty good height. So hopefully get a pretty good turnout. We'll see. It's all about experience for me. Trying things out, seeing what works. Some things work great, some things don't. I don't know. What's up? Worst case scenario, go to HEB, Randall's, give me some potatoes, and I'm good. But if I could do it this way, it'd be ideal to get, my largest harvest ever was about 50 pounds, and I've been trying to chase that high ever since, and I haven't hit that number yet. So, hope this may be the year. I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully, I put this little tie here to kind of give it some support. It may not be enough, I don't know, but hopefully the weight of it would help too. We'll see. It got some wiggle to it, but we'll see. Now I'm gonna start putting some hay in. So this sweet potato's only been in here for not quite a month. Not quite a month. When I put it in there, it was 4 or 5 inches long maybe. And this thing is already 4 feet long. So initially I was just kind of like, let it stand up like so and fill it up, but that means I'll be filling this whole thing up already. So I make this go a little bit, then a little bit, then a little bit, then a little bit, kind of let it bunch up. I don't know. It's all about experiments, and we'll see what's the best thing once it's trying to harvest this stuff. But I'm gonna put some more hay in. I got plenty. All right, it's set up. What I'm thinking about doing is I kind of had it stretched out while I loaded this part of it. It's gonna settle some possibly. It's going to start growing and start filling up. Then as it naturally bunches up and climbs this thing and fills up the container, it might even shoot out. I might even let some of it shoot out and go elsewhere. I'll just keep adding some more material to it. The hay was relatively inexpensive, consider the volume that you have, because it's compressed. So we'll see. Once again, hopefully it works, but we'll see. I don't know. All about it, trying things out.